Operation Courageous Defense is a collaborative effort between 557th Medical Company, 421st Medical Battalion, 67th Ford Resuscitative Surgical Team out of 212 Combat Support Hospital, as well as Launch Dual Regional Medical Center to prepare all our unit, whether it's Launch Dual Regional Medical Center, the 67th FRST, or us for Defender 20, as well as future follow-on support and operations across Europe, as well as other combatant commands across the world.
We're here doing the point of injury, like the action's on. We send them out in squad size elements, they do an objective, they take simulated casualties, and then they call on the 9-line medevac, which responds with the evac. So once they get here, they call that casualty in. Then we have further casualties that are over at the Roll 1 and the Roll 2 hospitals. They're coming from a battlefield scenario where they're being evac to the hospital, they get their treatment there, then they move through the echelons of care.
This is the first time this exercise has been conducted. It's a historic first, a partnership and alliance between 30th Medical Brigade and Launch Dual Regional Medical Center. This is the first time we've joined with a FORSCOM unit to conduct a field training exercise, going through the entire continuum of care from a AWT lane to the point of injury, establishing ambulance exchange points, moving patients throughout the continuum of care to include the Roll 1, a Roll 2, a forward resuscitative surgical team, and then further treatment utilizing ground evacuation assets back to a Roll 3, utilizing the simulation center here at Launch Dual Regional Medical Center, a simulation center that's one of its kind here in Europe.
This training is important because it's what we do. Repetition creates speed, improves processes. As we come out here, we set things up. The tents behind us you see are brand new. This is our first time setting up the Roll 2 in these tents. So this is the only way we get better, is to come out and do this, see what works, see what doesn't work. So next time we make the changes and make it smoother, get set up faster, see patients faster. The exercise has been a great success so far. It gave us the opportunity to roll out as a company, move the entire company as a whole, collaborate with our partners within our own brigade, as well as our partners at LARMC. LARMC has provided amazing support to us. We're facilitating their training to allow them to have more realistic training while they're facilitating us with observer controllers and mock patients to run through our facility. So it's become a really symbiotic relationship that we hope to exercise more in the future.